Veet In-Shower Cream has been designed to fit in with your busy routine. With a unique combination of water-resisting ingredients, it works while you shower so you can get on with your day. Here are the steps to achieve beautifully smooth skin. First, use the soft, coloured side of the sponge to apply the cream evenly onto dry skin. Don't rub it in and make sure your hair is completely covered. Wait at least 1 minute before stepping into the shower. Now continue with your normal shower routine. For the first 2 minutes, try to avoid putting the cream directly in the stream of water so it stays on long enough to work. Now that the cream has been on your skin for 3 minutes in total, use the rough side of the sponge to gently remove a small test area of the cream. If the hair comes away easily, massage the sponge in a circular motion to remove the rest. If your hair is stubborn, you can leave it on for a little while, but for no more than 6 minutes. For more sensitive areas, use the soft side of the sponge to remove the cream. Rinse your skin thoroughly with water to remove the cream completely and dry. Enjoy the feel of your silky skin with Veet In-Shower Hair Removal Cream. It works near the root, even on short hair, giving you smoothness for up to 4 days.